क्या तुम्हारे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है जब तुम कोई रील देखते हो तो यू फील लाइक व्हाई इज इट टेकिंग सो लॉन्ग टू फिनिश, व्हाई दे आर नॉट शोइंग द प्लॉट अर्ली, तो तुम उस रील की स्पीड 2x कर देते हो। एंड सेम विद यूट्यूब वीडियो, व्हेनेवर यू वॉच अ वीडियो यू फील लाइक ये कितना स्लो है, ये कितना धीरे धीरे हो रहा है सब कुछ। तुम उस वीडियो की भी स्पीड 1.5x या 2x कर देते हो। एंड आई नो you get so irritated and uncomfortable when you have to watch a movie at 1x speed. So अगर तुम्हारे साथ कभी भी ऐसा होता है, then sorry to say my friend, but your attention span is fucked. But you are not the only one because कुछ टाइम पहले तक मेरा भी यही हाल था. So I did some research and I found these 5 habits that actually helped me to fix my attention span, and I'm challenging you to watch this video till the end because I'm gonna tell you how to fix your attention span to focus better, and trust me, you won't regret it. So the first thing is minimize multitasking. देखो हमें ऐसा लगता है that we are so good at multitasking, like we are studying at the same time we are checking our phone, replying to messages, and still getting things done. So it feels normal to us. It feels productive to us. But the truth is, our brain is not doing multiple things at the same time. It's just switching very fast between the tasks, and every time जब भी तुम बीच बीच में switch करते हो, you lose a little bit of focus from there because you break that flow. Now think about it. If you are studying something important and suddenly तुम्हें एक notification आता है, so you go to check your phone for just 10 seconds, and when you come back, you have to read the same line again, and you are trying to remember where you left off. Now your mind feels slightly confused because you just broke that flow by switching the task. And when you keep repeating this, your brain learns that it is okay to not stay on one thing. And now you will start craving distractions. And this is why you still go check your phone even when there is no notifications, because you have trained your mind to function like that. So if you really want to fix your attention span, then the first thing you need to do is to minimize multitasking. Just sit down and do one thing at a time. No switching, no checking. And even for me, it felt so slow at first, but soon after a few minutes, your brain will create a flow and it becomes more stable. And now you can understand things faster. And that is what real focus looks like. And to be honest, it might feel so productive that you are doing so many things at the same time. But the reality is, when you look back, not a single thing is getting done properly. And this leads me to my second point, that is, say, I'll do it after finishing this. See, this is a very simple yet very important thing to learn. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, whenever you are working or studying or doing some important stuff, your mind suddenly gives you a reminder that, oh, I have to do this also. Oh, I have to reply to that message. I have to post that video. And you feel like कि अगर मैंने इसे अभी नहीं किया तो बाद में I'll forget it. And your brain will keep reminding you the same thing until you do that. And now, because of this, you will be getting distracted throughout your work. And this is where you start to lack your focus. Even if you are sitting here, but mentally you are everywhere now. First of all, tell your mind, I'll do it after completing this. For example, I'll text my friend after I complete my assignments. And then write that task somewhere, maybe in your to-do list or anywhere, so that when you complete your current task, now you can look at that list and then get reminded like, okay, I'll do this now. Now, what it does is it closes the open loops in your mind and assure it that it's already settled. And this is one of my favorite habits because I still do this every day. Like whenever my mind reminds me of something important, I just write it down in my diary. If you don't do this, your mind will keep interrupting you again and again. But if you do this consistently, your mind will start trusting you and it will stop shouting for attention. Number 3, which is the most ignored one, is learn to sit with boredom. तुमने ये तो जरूर नोटिस किया होगा, like the moment things become slow for us, we reach for our phone. The moment we feel slightly uncomfortable, we try to distract ourselves. So your brain never really learns to stay in that moment where focus actually begins. क्योंकि हमने अपने माइंड को ट्रेन कर रखा है to always escape from boredom. For example, when you sit to study, the first few minutes तुम्हें बहुत boring लगता है. When you start reading something, it feels so slow to you. And even when you try to do some deep work, your mind just wants to run away. So each and every time जब भी तुम उस feeling से escape करने को try करते हो, your brain learns that I don't have to stay here. Now imagine you do something different. You just sit there even when it feels boring to you. You don't run to grab your phone or something. You just stay there. हाँ, पहले-पहले तुम्हें थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल लगेगा, ऐसा लगेगा दैट यू आर फोर्सिंग योरसेल्फ टू डू दिस, क्योंकि हमें तो इसकी आदत ही नहीं है ना। बट ट्रस्ट मी, जस्ट स्टे देयर बिकॉज़ आफ्टर सम टाइम your brain will start to settle down and you'll start noticing things or getting curious about what's happening around you. So instead of thinking, this is so boring, you'll start thinking, what's actually happening here? And now you are more aware. And slowly that boredom turns into focus. And most of the people never sit with themselves without any distractions because उन्हें ये सब time waste लगता है. But trust me, I've done that, and this is the best thing you can do for yourself. And you know what? Life is so beautiful outside of that phone screen. And this is why every great or successful person tells us to do that because it really helps your brain to build focus. And remember this, the people who can focus are not special. They just don't run away when things get boring. Number 4 is start consuming long form content. Okay, I have a question for you. How much time do you actually spend on a reel or a video before you swipe it up? And you have to tell me this in the comment section. In today's time, the average attention span of a human being is literally around 7 to 8 seconds. Isn't it crazy? Because today, most of us are used to fast content, like short videos, quick clips, instant entertainment, and now our brain has adapted to that speed. Like in every few seconds, इसे कुछ ना कुछ तो नया चाहिए. And that's why तुम जब भी कोई long videos देखोगे या कोई podcast सुनोगे या फिर कोई books पढ़ोगे, तुम्हें ये सब बहुत slow लगता है. And you feel like, why is it taking so long to finish? क्योंकि तुम्हारे brain को इतना wait करने की तो आदत ही नहीं है. So you feel like skipping it or you just increase the speed because you lose patience. But this habit is slowly damaging your attention span and it's training your brain to only stay for short bursts, not for long periods. And what happened with me is, earlier I used to watch a lot of movies and series and I used to make long form videos. But when my attention span got bad, I couldn't even watch a movie because it was taking so long to show the end result. And I wasn't able to make long form videos anymore because I shifted to short form content. And I have adapted to that habit that I have to say everything in just 1 minute. So whenever I used to sit to write scripts for my long form videos, I couldn't focus and I couldn't complete it. It took me 3 to 4 days to write a single script when earlier it only used to took me 2 to 3 hours. Even I used to watch reels at 2x speed जो कि already सिर्फ 2 मिनट की होती है. See, it was this messed up. So I challenged myself, and now I'm challenging you to start watching long form content at 1x speed without skipping it. And I know it won't be easy for you because at first you will feel so irritated or uncomfortable because your brain wants more stimulation. But trust me, this will literally help you to fix your attention span because now your mind starts adjusting and it will become more calm. So now you can follow ideas deeply. You can understand things better, not just quickly. So read a book, listen to a podcast, watch long form videos without skipping it because it trains your brain to stay, to process, and to focus more. And over the time, you'll stop feeling restless and you don't need constant stimulation. You can just simply sit and stay with something, and that is real attention. So, are you still watching this video right now, or you have skipped it already? And last but not the least, turn off the distractions. Yeah, you heard me right. I know everyone is saying the same thing, but it helps. It really helps, and I'm saying this because I'm doing it. See, if you know that your attention span is already bad, please turn off your notifications. Please turn off any distractions that you are having right now. Even I never turn on my notifications until it's very urgent, and I'll tell you why. See, your phone is constantly calling you, like notifications, vibrations, sound, and even if you don't check them, your brain has already reacted to that. So a part of your attention is already gone. And when this keeps happening throughout the day, your brain can never enter a deep state. तुम कभी भी किसी चीज पे properly focus नहीं कर पाओगे because your brain stays on the surface. Like it's always alert, always ready to switch. And the worst thing that can happen if this continue? Like I said earlier, your brain will now expecting interruptions. Like, oh शायद उसका मैसेज आया हो, oh शायद मेरे दोस्त ने कोई स्टोरी अपलोड की हो. So if you don't change this, you will always feel distracted. Not because you are weak, but because your environment is working against you. But the moment you remove these distractions, like turning off your notifications or keeping your phone away while working on something important, तुम्हारा दिमाग अब शांत होने लगता है. And in that silence, your brain finally gets a chance to go deeper. And I know अभी भी तुम्हारा मन करेगा फोन देखने का without any reason, but listen to me, that's not a need, that's your habit. And if you don't act on it, this habit will take away your ability to focus properly on anything. So if you have watched this video till the end, I just want to say, I see you. And actually, I want to clap for you because staying till the end only means one thing, that you are aware. You know that your attention span isn't where you want it to be. And most importantly, you actually care about fixing it. And that already puts you ahead of so many people who are still stuck in the loop without even realizing it. But now comes the part that actually matters. Don't just close this video and go back to your old habits. Start small and pick just one thing from this video right now. Maybe keeping away your phone while studying, or maybe sitting with boredom for a few minutes, or maybe watching something without skipping it. Just do that one thing today. Not perfectly, but just do that consistently. Because तुम्हारा attention span ना कभी एक बार में ठीक नहीं होगा. तुम्हें रोज ऐसे छोटे छोटे decisions, ऐसे steps लेने होंगे. तुम्हें ये habits build करनी होगी. But believe me, if you stick with it, there will come a point where focusing doesn't feel hard to you anymore. It feels natural. And this is your sign to start today. So that's it for this video, and I hope this will help you. And if you found this helpful, do like it and comment your favorite part or share it with someone who actually needs to fix their attention span. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such content, and do check out my Instagram profile. Link is in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving.